Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel HELLOOOO. Today we are going to learn some daily use sentences in Konkani. Before we proceed, guys, please do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notified about my all the videos and learn Konkani more easily with my channel HELLOOOO. So today let's start with the video. In today's video, I've also added sentences in Hindi language. So it will become very easy for you all. If you all don't know in English, you can learn Konkani with the help of Hindi language. What's going on? क्या चल रहा है? In Konkani we say कितें चल्ला. कितें चल्ला. कितें means what? Challa means going on. What are you doing here? तू यहाँ क्या कर रहा है? तू हांगा कितें करता. तू हांगा कितें करता. तू means you, hanga means here, kite means what, karta means doing. I have a headache. मुझे सिर दर्द हो रहा है. मजी तकली दुखता. मजी means mine, takli means head, dukta means paining. You did very well. तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. In Konkani we say तुवें खूब बरे केलें. तुवें means you, खूब बरे means very well, केलें means did. Think before you speak. बोलने से पहले सोचो. चितून उलय. चितून उलय. चितून means think. Ulay means speak. I will pay today. मैं आज भुगतान करूँगा. हांव आयज फारीक करतलो. हांव आयज फारीक करतलो. हांव means I. आयज means today. फारीक means pay. Kartalo means I will. Are you mad? क्या तुम पागल हो? In Konkani we ask tu pisore. Tu pisore. Tu means you. Piso means mad. Drop me home. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. In Konkani we say माका घरा पावय. माका घरा पावय. माका means me or to me. घरा means home. पावय means drop. Drive slowly. धीरे चलाओ. सावकाश चलय. सावकाश चलय. सावकाश means slowly. चलय means drive. Do it your way. अपने तरीके से करो. In Konkani we say तुका जाय तशें कर. तुका जाय तशें कर. I can't walk. मैं चल नहीं सकता. म्हाका चलूंक जायना. म्हाका चलूंक जायना. Maka means I. Zalung means to walk. Zaina means can't. Don't waste time. समय बर्बाद मत करो. वेळ वगडाय नका. वेळ वगडाय नका. वेळ means time. वगडाय नका means don't waste. At what time you go to sleep? आप कितने बजे सोने जाते हो? In Konkani we ask, तू कितल्यांक न्हिदता? तू कितल्यांक न्हिदता? तू means you. Kitlyank means what time. Nitta means sleeping. I don't want it. मुझे यह नहीं चाहिए. माका नाकाते. माका नाकाते. So this is all for today. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and keep following my channel Konkani Ulay.